Ever walked into a bank and thought, man, I wish there was a way to do this without all these people? You're not alone. In today's fast-paced world, convenience is king. And that's where online banking comes in. It's revolutionized how we manage our money, offering everything from bill pay to savings accounts, right at your fingertips. But what about those times when you need a physical location? Like, to deposit a big wad of cash or maybe just talk to a real person? That's where questions start to arise. So, let's talk about Varo Bank. You've probably heard the name, right? They're one of those digital-first banks that's all about making banking easier. But here's the burning question. Does Varo Bank actually have branches? Let's dive in and find out. First things first, Varo is what we call a neobank. That means it's a bank that operates exclusively online. No brick-and-mortar locations, no waiting in line, and no dealing with grumpy tellers. It's all about efficiency and accessibility. But doesn't that mean you're totally cut off from the physical world? Well, not entirely. While Varo doesn't have its own branches, they've partnered with a network of ATMs and retail locations to help you manage your cash. You can withdraw money fee-free at over 40,000 all-point ATMs, which are pretty easy to find. And if you need to deposit cash, you can do that at over 90,000 green locations. That's a pretty wide coverage, right? But what about those times when you really need to talk to a human? Varo has you covered there too. They offer customer support through phone, email, and even live chat. So, while you won't be able to walk into a Varo branch and chat with a banker face-to-face, you can still get the help you need. Now, you might be thinking, okay, so Varo doesn't have branches, but what about other online banks? Well, the truth is, most online banks follow a similar model. It's all part of the digital banking revolution. But that doesn't mean traditional banks are going away anytime soon. Many people still prefer the personal touch of a physical branch. So, which is better? Online or traditional banking? Well, that depends on your personal preferences and needs. If you're someone who likes to handle everything digitally and values convenience, an online bank like Varo might be a great option. But if you prefer the face-to-face interaction and the ability to handle your finances in person, a traditional bank might be a better fit. Ultimately, the best bank for you is the one that meets your specific needs and lifestyle. Whether you choose an online bank or a traditional bank, make sure to do your research and compare features, fees, and customer service before making a decision. And remember, just because Varo doesn't have branches doesn't mean it's not a legitimate bank. They're FDIC insured, which means your money is safe and secure. So, if you're looking for a convenient and hassle-free banking experience, Varo is definitely worth considering. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.